everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a Dollar Tree collective haul with you. I picked up a couple things before going on vacation. I was in and out of there grabbing things that we needed for that. So I was semi-shopping for myself as well. So the first thing I picked up was this Perfect Petty, and it's just this little nail file. I got 3 of these. I got one for my mother, my sister, and myself, and I have used mine and it works okay. It's not like, you know, something, it's not as good as the Pay itself, you know, but it does work pretty good. I picked up these little flowers, and it's not sitting up correctly, but I picked up 3 of these. I'm planning on hosting a brunch here at my home pretty soon for Mother's Day. So like my mom and my husband's mother, I'm gonna try to get them together and have like a little Mother's Day brunch here. So I'm going to be doing blue. I feel like that is something a little bit different. Usually you see pink at Mother's Day, but I'm going to be doing blue. I might throw in a few sprigs of like pink or something, but for the most part it'll be blue. So I got 3 blue flowers, purse hook, and it just looks like this. Do you guys remember these? These were like the rage probably back in like 2010 or something. So I just remember all the YouTubers had these, and I never took the plunge and actually bought one because they were pricey back in the day. So yeah, but it just looks like this, and I guess you hook your purse like that onto the table and it hangs, and I think it'll work pretty well. So, you know, there's times when I'm out and I need somewhere to put my purse, so I just grabbed it, and mine is just the just a little rhinestone one. They had other ones as well, but I like this the best. Things I picked up were just this little dream sign, and you guys know I really love the dream signs. I actually picked one up last summer at TJ Maxx, and I think it was probably about $7 or something, but I picked this one up, and it's just in the silver, and I feel like it is just cute. I might embellish it a little bit more, and that's the nice thing about picking things up from the Dollar Tree, because you could always like jazz them up a little bit more. Then guys, I picked up a little poof, and I don't know, I've always passed on these, but I saw this one and it just kind of spoke to me. It was just a plain white, and I thought it was really cute, so I'm going to be putting this on my purse this summer. So excited when I found these organizing bins. Can you guys see these? So what I'm going to be doing with these is I am in the process of trying to revamp the basement area, and I'm going to be setting up myself a craft area, because currently I am using just our kitchen counter, and the lighting and stuff is not that great, but you know, we do what we have to do to make it work. So I picked these up because I'm going to be putting these on the shelves, and you guys know I really love this blue-green color, so I'm going to be using this for my just my little things. I don't know if I'm going to have this outer in the cabinets or whatever, but for $1 I picked up every one I could find, and I only found 4, but I'm very happy that I found these. Is silicone scrubber. I actually picked up 2 of these actually, but they came in other colors as well. They came in purple and blue. I think they came in blue. I know they came in a pink, and I'm just really curious to see how this thing works, so I picked 2 of these up just in case I really liked it and I couldn't find it again. I had a backup. So yeah, boxes, and I posted a picture of these on Instagram a while back whenever I first found them, but I think these are super cute, and again, I'm going to be using these for my crafting area. Let me just take these out and show you what it looks like. It is so super cute, and for $1 you cannot beat these. I actually went back to try to find some more of these because I only picked up 3 and they were out, so I didn't even care what color I got because they came in like pink, and I think they came in a purple as well, but I'm not quite sure. So the box just looks like this, and of course the back is black. And I just think this is so cute. I finally found some Bolero products at my store. Can you guys believe it? I have been watching you guys hauling these Bolero products for so long, and I finally got some. So I have a huge bag of Bolero, which is right here, and I kind of just went wild in there. Not purposely, just I've never seen it there, so I kind of got a lot. I got some of the oils. I got 2 of each of these. Let's see, I have the macaroon, mint, and raspberry, which looks like this, and I have 2, as I said. I have 2 of the Italian pear, and they just look like this. I have the French lavender and citrus. I couldn't resist that. It's just like so intriguing to me how this might smell. I think it'll be nice. So I found the coconut oil and sea salt, and this one smells so good. I am really going to love this one. So I also picked up some of their facial wipes, and so let me just start with this one. Again, I got the Italian pear, and I got 2 of those. You guys know I wouldn't tell you I got something I didn't, but I'll show you anyways. And then I got the macaroon and raspberry, and again I got 2 of those. And I got 1 of the French lavender and citrus, and I'm going to be using these tonight. I'm curious about these, so definitely going to use these tonight. And then I got 1 of their bar soaps, and it is the French lavender and citrus. And I can't believe I only picked up 1 of this one. It's the coconut and sea salt one. I only got 1, so I'm kind of shocked at myself. But I guess I was thinking about how many that I had, so I just picked these up. And again, I have never tried these, so if I don't like them, I will return them or exchange them at the store. But everybody's raving about them, so hopefully they're good. And then I picked up some of their fizzies. I got the macaroon mint and raspberry. I got 2 of the coconut and chamomile, and this one smells so good. Y'all know I'm a coconut girl. And then I got the oatmeal and shea. And so, yeah. Okay, yeah. You guys, I picked up a lot of their bath bombs. And ironically, I do not use the bath bombs for myself because we do not have a bathtub in my master bedroom. I would love to take baths and use the bathtub, but the only bathtub we have is in our kids' bathroom, and so I just never really go in there and take baths. But my kids really love the bath bombs, so whenever Dollar Tree has them, I kind of like stock up. And I got oatmeal and honey, and this one smells so good. Oh my god, I love this one. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. I hope it has a nice fizz. And this one again is a peppermint and sea salt. Again, I have 2 of those. And they're stuck together. There's the other one. And then I have the vanilla and wild berries. And then again, I have 2 of these. Love that one. And this pink one is pink grapefruit and sugar cane. That smells pretty good. And then I have the fresh cucumber and bamboo. But it smells really good. And so then I picked up a few of their lotions, which I have tried these and I do not like these. They are too watery for my taste. As you can see, this stuff is super thin, and I am not a fan of super thin lotions. It does have a nice smell to it, but it's just too thin. It's just like putting on just like water, really. The scent is really nice, but I won't be purchasing that again. So I have the Italian pear, and then I have the macaroon, mint, and raspberry in these. So of the coconut oil and sea salts hand soaps, and I got a couple of their bath soaks, and so they just look like this, the coconut and sea salt one, and it smells really good. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I really like it. And then I got some of this Goo Gone, and what I needed this for is, you guys know that I have purchased a break-on home, and some of the sinks in our house have that winterization sticker thing still on there. I have tried everything to remove that, so I really want to know if this will help. So, and for $1, of course, I couldn't resist picking it up. I picked up my children a few of these fans for summer. And I also found 2 of the blue macaroons. Now, if I had seen any of the other colors, I definitely would have picked them up because I feel like they would look really cute together in a grouping. But I only found the blue. I'm happy with the blue because, you know, I'm kind of really feeling the blue at this time. I don't know why, but I really like that. But these are so nice, guys. If you haven't seen these, go try to check these out if you can, because I know people have kind of snatched them up. This one, the opening is super nice. It's super big, and let me see, this one is a little bit harder to open, but yeah, I feel like it's really nice. I think we're coming to the end, guys. I found these really cute little candle holders. Aren't these cute? I only found 2 of them, but we're gonna make it work. I feel like this is a really nice staple piece that you can use for decorations around the house. You could put a tea light in there, of course, or of course you could put like maybe a little flower on top, or even do a DIY with something like that. That would be super cute. So yeah, I picked 2 of these up, and if I see some more, I did. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this little video. I really did enjoy making it. I know I kind of went crazy on the Bolero products, but I could not resist once I saw that they had them, because I have been just like drooling trying to find them and could never find them since like last summer. But so I found some. Maybe I'll do a giveaway or something like that as well, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you around. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well as the thumbs up button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.